What if I told you that 70% of the code you write manually, an AI can write for you? And not garbage code. Actual, working, production quality Java. GitHub Copilot is not autocomplete on steroids. It is a full AI pair programmer sitting inside your editor. But here is the thing. Most developers install Copilot and still use it like basic autocomplete. They miss the real power. Today I will show you the exact setup, the exact settings, and 5 specific prompting techniques that will genuinely change how fast you write Java code. Let us get into it. GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant made by GitHub and OpenAI. It lives right inside VS Code, IntelliJ, or any JetBrains IDE. It reads your code, your comments, your file names, your project structure, and predicts what you want to write next. Not just one line. Entire functions. Entire classes. It is trained on billions of lines of public code. Think of it as a developer who has read every open source Java project on GitHub and is sitting right next to you, suggesting code as you type. It has 2 modes. Inline suggestions that appear as gray ghost text as you type, and Copilot chat where you can ask questions or generate code through natural language conversation. Here is how it actually works. As you type, Copilot takes your current file, your nearby open tabs, your comments, and function signatures, and sends that context to a large language model running in the cloud. The model generates a code suggestion and sends it back. You see it as gray ghost text in your editor. Press Tab to accept. Press Escape to reject. That's simple. The key insight is that better context means better suggestions. If your comments are clear, your variable names are meaningful, and your code structure is clean, Copilot gives you amazing results. Garbage in, garbage out applies to AI too. Setting up Copilot takes 3 minutes. Open VS Code, go to Extensions with Ctrl-Shift-X, and search for GitHub Copilot. Install 2 extensions. GitHub Copilot for inline code suggestions, and GitHub Copilot Chat for the conversation panel. Then sign in with your GitHub account. You need a Copilot subscription. If you are a student, you get it completely free through GitHub Education. Apply with your university email, otherwise there is a free tier with 2,000 completions per month, which is plenty for learning. Pro plan is $10 a month for unlimited. Once installed, you will see a small Copilot icon in the bottom status bar. If it shows active, you are good to go. A few settings that matter. Open your settings.json with Ctrl-Shift-P, then type Open Settings.json. Make sure Copilot is enabled for all file types. Turn on inline suggest so suggestions appear as you type, not after a delay. Here is a pro tip most people miss. Copilot looks at your other open tabs for extra context. So if you are working on a user service, keep user.java and user repository.java open in other tabs. Copilot will use those classes to give much better suggestions. Also install the extension pack for Java. Copilot works significantly better when the Java language server understands your types, imports, and project structure. Without the language server, Copilot is essentially guessing blind. Prompt technique number 1. Comment-driven coding. This is the most powerful technique and the one most people underuse. Write a plain English comment describing exactly what you want, then press enter. Copilot reads your comment and generates the code. Look at this example. I write a comment saying sort employees by salary descending, then by name for ties. Copilot generates the exact comparator chain with reversed and then comparing. Clean, idiomatic Java. The key is specificity. Do not write sort the list. Write exactly what field, what order, what to do with ties. The more detail in your comment, the more accurate the generated code. I use this for every complex logic block. Write the intent first as a comment, let Copilot generate, then review and adjust. Technique 2. Write just the method signature and let Copilot fill the entire body. Your method name and parameter names are the prompt. If you name your method find by mail with parameters, email and users list, Copilot knows exactly what to do. It generates the stream, the filter, the case-insensitive comparison, and the optional return. This works especially well for standard patterns. Find methods, filter methods, conversion methods, validation methods. The trick is good naming. If your method is called doStuff with parameters A and B, Copilot has no clue what you want. But find active users B department with a department parameter. Copilot nails it every time. Your method name is literally your prompt to the AI. Technique 3. Test generation. This saves the most time. Writing unit tests is tedious and repetitive. But Copilot loves it because tests follow predictable patterns. Write a comment specifying the class, the method, and the edge cases you want tested. Copilot generates complete JUnit 5 test methods with proper assertions. Notice I mentioned specific scenarios in the comment. Positive, negative, zero, overflow. Copilot creates a separate test for each. Pro tip. Keep your actual source file open in a neighboring tab. Copilot reads it and generates tests that match your real method signatures, not made up ones. This is the Open Tabs context trick in action. I generate about 80% of my tests this way and then review them. Technique 4. Boilerplate generation. This is Copilot's superpower. Spring Boot code is 60% boilerplate. Controllers, services, repositories. Same structure over and over. Perfect for AI. Write one comment specifying the entity, the operations, and your preferences like response entity or the valid annotation. Copilot generates the entire controller. Get all, get by ID with proper 404 handling using optional, create with validation, delete with proper status codes. 50 lines from a 3-line comment. This works for JPA entities too. Describe the fields and relationships and Copilot generates the class with annotations. Repository interfaces, DTO classes, mapper methods. All the boring repetitive code that eats your afternoon. Done in seconds. Technique 5. Refactoring with AI. Paste some ugly code and write a comment saying what you want. Refactor using streams. Refactor to use optional. Extract into a method. Copilot reads the existing code and rewrites it. Here nested if statements become a clean stream pipeline. Same logic, much more readable. This is amazing for legacy code. Open an old file, add a comment above a messy block saying refactor this, and Copilot suggests the modern Java way. You can also use Copilot Chat for this. Select the ugly code, open chat, and just say make this cleaner. Chat mode is especially good for larger refactoring where you want an explanation alongside the new code. Beyond inline suggestions, Copilot Chat is incredibly powerful. Open it with Ctrl-Shift-I or the chat icon in the sidebar. /explain takes selected code and explains it in plain English. Perfect for understanding legacy code or complex algorithms. /fix finds bugs and suggests fixes. /tests generates unit tests for whatever you select. /doc writes JavaDoc documentation for your methods. At Workspace is special. It searches your entire project to answer questions like where is the authentication logic or how does the payment flow work. My favorite trick? Copy a stack trace, paste it in chat, and say explain this error and how to fix it. Copilot reads the stack trace, finds the root cause, and suggests the fix. It is like Stack Overflow built into your editor, but it actually knows your code. Some important rules to follow. Always write specific comments. The comment is your prompt to the AI. Vague prompts give vague code. Keep related files open. Copilot reads your other tabs for context. Use descriptive names. Find active users by department is a much better prompt than get data. Most importantly, always review generated code before pressing tab. Copilot is very good but not perfect. It can have subtle bugs, security issues, or logic that looks correct but is not. Read every line before accepting. Especially for authentication, authorization, or input validation. Write security code yourself. And always run your tests. Just because AI wrote the code does not guarantee it is correct. Let us recap. Install both Copilot extensions. Enable inline suggestions. Keep related files open for better context. 5 prompting techniques. 1. Comment to code. Detailed comments generate perfect code. 2. Method signature to body. Good naming equals good suggestions. 3. Test generation. Mention edge cases in your comment. 4. Boilerplate. Spring controllers, entities, DTOs in seconds. 5. Refactoring. Paste old code, say what you want, get clean modern Java. And Copilot Chat for explaining, fixing bugs, and project-wide questions. The golden rule? AI assists, you decide. Always review, always test. If this helped, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.